what's really going on. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently Litecoin, price action interacting with these key levels here, coming out of a very strong rejection off of recently added key level here. $272 per Litecoin was resistance just a few days before we sort of shot upward to it. This was the suggested immediate short-term target for Litecoin, and as we can see, price action experiencing tremendous resistance off of it. So daily candles opening and closing above it would confirm it as support and a potential area of accumulation. However, until then, it is currently resistance here, and significant enough to send us plowing to and through potential key level of support, $224 here per Litecoin. Failing to support price action, currently acting as resistance in my opinion, based on these last kind of few days of sort of price action here. Price is making its way downward toward a stronger area of support. In my opinion, we have technical key level here, $178 per Litecoin. Currently, the 0.382 Fibonacci rigatoni level, $180 per Litecoin. And we also have this 200 daily moving average currently sitting near $180 as well. So very strong area of support here, supported by technical factors in my opinion. So an interaction downward and support found off of it would be very bullish for the uptrend overall in the long term here. Price action above this 200 daily moving average does suggest the uptrend is very much forming. We just need to further confirm this area of support. The strongest area of technical support waiting for us is $165 per Litecoin. That is going to be the most bullish area of accumulation. So I do believe down below there are some very strong areas of support waiting for us, allowing us to perhaps utilize what may be the final area of accumulation before we see some very euphoric upside for Litecoin. Price is currently under the influence of two of our chosen three Robo advisors bearish on price action, suggesting a more comfortably bullish area of accumulation is to present itself here. And as we can see, it may be just down below between 165 and 180 there. So this most recent combination of Robo advisors has allowed you to see, ever since two of our chosen three Robo advisors became bullish, you've experienced up to 63% in gains. Prices made its way all the way up to my short-term target resistance there at 50% ROI. If you weren't able to sell above, at, or around this key level or that swing high, two of our chosen three Robo advisors have become bearish a few days ago, suggesting you take profit near current levels, allowing you to still capitalize on 12% ROI after EngineeringRobo's bullish buy signals. Currently, this is suggesting that a more comfortably bullish buy opportunity is to present itself here. This combination of Robo advisors showing a bullish area of accumulation back throughout the end of July allowed you to experience up to 65% in gains. And two of our chosen three Robo advisors became bearish on price action, allowing you to capitalize on 23% ROI. So EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so it is key to pick three of the many different Robo advisors available. And once two of your chosen three Robo advisors become bullish or bearish, you can use that to better determine your entries and exits. And so at the moment, we are under the influence of two of our chosen three Robo advisors bearish at the moment. Previous times we've seen this combination of sell signals. We've experienced up to 19.5% in downside, and if we were to hypothetically experience the same amount of downside from when this combination of sell signals has most recently come into play, 19% in downside would bring us all the way down to the most bullish area of accumulation and support for Litecoin, $164 here. So I do believe any sort of downside we experience is bullish for the uptrend overall in the longer term. We just have to, confirm these final technical areas of support, in my opinion. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Watch out for these technical key levels as we establish the uptrend. Now, crypto.com, CRO coin, price action making its way upward here, experiencing tremendous upside ever since bullish area of accumulation presented by EngineeringRobo's buy signals here. We have the buy 2 and buy 4 suggesting a bullish area of accumulation near 18 cents, and then we've experienced up to 319% in gains over the following 49 days. Easily, a 4x return on your investment after EngineeringRobo's buy signals here. And currently, there are no sell signals present, so we are anticipating continued upside. However, 300% in gains in such a short amount of time, in my opinion, would be, I would not be surprised if we were met with some sort of sideways retracement or pullbacks here at any point in time. Fundamentally, we are still quite bullish on this coin moving forward, and I do believe we are very much in a very strong uptrend, and I anticipate the multi-dollar range presenting itself here fairly quickly. We just have to technically interact with some final key levels here. In my opinion, we need to conquer what appears to be this 72 cent level. 0.728 in my opinion is going to be the key level. We need daily candles opening and closing above to confirm as support. If we get rejected off of it and it becomes resistance, we may be heading all the way down to 39 cents here. So that would be another potential area of support for us if we were to get rejected downward here. So the strongest area of support technically, if we were to experience any sort of dramatic downside, would be this 18 cent level. That would be the strongest area of technical support. However, in my opinion, we are very bullish on the continued upside here. Previous buy signals suggested a bullish area of accumulation around 12 cents. Experienced up to 68% in gains. Two of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bearish around 16 cents, and you were able to capitalize on 37% ROI. After experiencing up to what appears to be 12% in short-term downside here over the following few weeks before presenting a bullish area of accumulation again throughout the beginning of October. So price action still supported by some very strong, fundamental buy strength and buy signals from EngineeringRobo. We just need to confirm these technicals, in my opinion. Let me know where you think CRO will go down below. Let me know a coin you'd like to see in the next video. Now, Silica against Tether, price action in this phase of sideways here. If we consider prices coming from the strongest area of support near this 7 cent level, 0.072 is going to be the key area of technical support here that we're looking for a potential interaction with in any sort of short-term downside. Combination of robo advisors became bullish near this level, and then we experienced after accumulation up to 73% in upside over the following 40 days, all the way up to the strongest area of technical resistance, in my opinion, 13 cents. That's going to be the strongest area of sell pressure waiting for us overhead. And if you weren't able to sell at this key level here, 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bearish on price action around 10 cents, suggesting you capitalize on 38% ROI with EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And when those sell signals came into play, we experienced up to 29% in downside as prices made their way toward the most bullish area of support within that 7 cent range before entering another bullish area of accumulation. We can see strong buy pressure and accumulation through this phase of sideways throughout October and into these sort of weeks of November here. However, at the moment, we are currently under the influence of sell pressure from this 200 daily moving average at the moment, and all 3 of our chosen robo advisors have become bearish on price action, suggesting that a more comfortably bullish area of accumulation is to present itself here. And in my opinion, that is going to be near the 7 cent level. So look out for price action making its way downward towards support. We're waiting for buy signals to come back into play to suggest a comfortable area of accumulation. Once we've found support and we make our way upward here, strongest area of resistance waiting for us, as I mentioned, is going to be 13 cents. Once we've broken and confirmed it as support, price action is making its way up to 20 cents, which is going to be the next target here for this coin moving forward once we've broken 13. So watch out for these key levels here. Currently, we are still sideways, and I anticipate another interaction towards support. Let me know where you think price action will go down below. Now, Ethereum price action bouncing up, down, and around through this phase of accumulation here. I do believe this is still very bullish for price action, and we are building up a lot of momentum for us in the longer term here for when we are ready to see some very euphoric upside. So look out for continued interaction with these key levels here waiting for us as local resistance overhead, $4,200 per Ethereum. Watch out for support down below, $3,929 per Ethereum. That is going to be a bullish area of support. We have some key levels to break overhead before we get back to previous all-time highs, and we are able to see some very euphoric upside. I still anticipate a $6,000 Ethereum very soon here throughout the coming short months. However, we are under the influence of sell signals at the moment, so this phase of sideways is still in play. In my opinion, we're waiting for further confirmations of these final areas of support, and once these buy signals return, we can very much anticipate some very bullish upside here for price action. So right now, we're looking at just a very bullish retracement and pullback and further solidification of support, in my opinion. Now, Bitcoin Crypto, the currency, currently making its way back to bullish areas of support. Price action experiencing a second interaction with technical key level here. $55,600 per Bitcoin is, waiting for us as support still. We're looking for daily candles continuing to open and close above it to further confirm it as support. Technically, however, with the November 22nd daily candle close, the low of this candle is $55,610, and the low of the November 19th daily candle is, $55,600. That is technically a higher low for this move downward here. So we're looking for continued higher lows, in my opinion, to further confirm this area as bullish support. So tremendous buy pressure present down below. Failure to hold this level, though, will bring us down to another potential key area of support. $52,750 per Bitcoin is waiting for us as support as well. The most strongest area of technical support is still going to be $48,400 per Bitcoin, a rather unlikely key level for Bitcoin. However, not impossible for us to interact with and still anticipate a six-figure Bitcoin by early next year, in my opinion. We're waiting for these buy signals to return. Price action very much in an uptrend. We just need to further establish these final levels of support. So watch out for resistance overhead, $58,800 per Bitcoin waiting for us as resistance. Then we have this range within the 60K sort of zone here that we've been interacting with as well, waiting for us to see what we will do with it. So in my opinion, price action very bullish in the longer term. It's very hard to be bearish on Bitcoin at current levels. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.